took them off. Oh, that's a wow.
It's a wow?
Yeah. I said to Tricia, if I were sitting here and they walked in the side door, what would you think? If you just came in and found me like this.
We would think weekend at
Oh,
Bernie's.
oh, okay.
Weekend at Bernie's. Oh my
Now
God.
I got it. Now I've got it.
You understand weekend at Bernie's?
I do.
Yeah. I know what he's doing. I'm
Heather,
wondering why when I'm waiting this he's
did
seeing
you
it.
set
But
Tricia
he's showing me
to that part?
Duh. This is every angle. Should I get on the floor and you can go in bed?
Do a close-up on
Go,
the glasses.
go. Fight, team, fight. Wow, wow, wow. The lightning girl. I used to be a lightning girl.
Now you have to bend over.